Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. What is the name of the newly launched scheme that provides collateral free loans to MSMEs? A. Mutual Credit Guarantee Scheme. B. MSME Loan Support Scheme. C. MSME Growth Fund. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Question number 2. Which state government launched the Bhavantar Bharpai Yojana? A. Haryana. B. Bihar. C. Punjab. D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 3. Prime Minister Internship Scheme is associated with which ministry? A. Ministry of Finance. B. Ministry of Law and Justice. C. Ministry of Corporate Affairs. D. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Correct answer is C. Question number 4. Which ministry is responsible for implementing the Naksha initiative? A. Ministry of Urban Development. B. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. C. Ministry of Rural Development. D. Ministry of Agriculture. Correct answer is C. Question number 5. Which state government has recently launched Chief Minister Single Woman Self-Employment Scheme? A. Uttarakhand. B. Jharkhand. C. Odisha. D. Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Question number 6. Market Intervention Scheme has been made a component of which integrated scheme? A. PM Kisan. B. PM Asha. C. PM Pranam. D. PM FBY. Correct answer is B. Question number 7. What is the name of the scheme launched by the Anusandhan National Research Foundation for Senior Indian Scientists? A. GC Bose Grant Scheme. B. Inspire Fellowship Scheme. C. Raman Research Fellowship Scheme. D. Shanti Swaroop Bharatnagar Fellowship Scheme. Correct answer is A. Question 8. Dulari Kanya scheme is launched by which state government? A. Assam. B. Sikkim. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Manipur. Correct answer is C. Question number 9. What is the nodal agency responsible for the Soil Health Card Scheme? A. Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. B. Niti Aayog. C. Indian Council of Agriculture Research. D. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Correct answer is A. Question number 10. What is the primary objective of the SWAT initiative? A. Encouraging foreign investment in e-commerce. B. Promoting participation of women entrepreneurs, startup and youth in public procurement. C. Providing financial assistance to large corporations. D. Establishing a global e-commerce platform. Correct answer is B. Question number 11. What is the name of the scheme introduced by government to support cooperative sugar mills in ethanol production? A. Ethanol Interest Subvention Scheme. B. Biofuel Promotion Initiative. C. Green Fuel Subsidy Scheme. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Question number 12. The Mahila Samriddhi Yojana has been launched by which state/UT government? A. Delhi. B. Uttarakhand. C. Jammu and Kashmir. D. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Question number 13. Which state government has launched this scheme, namely Mukhyamantri Balika Samriddhi Yojana and Mukhyamantri Kanya Atmanirbhar Yojana? A. Mizoram. B. Tripura. C. Assam. D. Manipur. Correct answer is B. Question number 14. The Global Engagement Scheme is initiated by which ministry? A. Ministry of Tourism. B. Ministry of Culture. C. Ministry of Urban Development. D. Ministry of Defense. Correct answer is B. Question number 15. Which state government has launched the Pandit Lakshmi Chand Kalakar Samajik Samman Scheme? A. Haryana. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Bihar. D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 16. What is the name of the scheme launched to promote coal gasification in India? A. National Energy Transition Scheme. B. Clean Fossil Fuel Mission. C. Coal Gasification and Chemical Production Incentive Scheme. D. Indian Coal Utilization Program. Correct answer is C. Question number 17. The SEED program was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. B. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. C. Ministry of Panchayati Raj. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is A. Question number 18. Gyan Bharatam Mission is an initiative by which ministry? A. Ministry of Culture. B. Ministry of Tourism. C. Ministry of Home Affairs, D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is A. Question number 19. Mukhyamantri Yuva Udyami Vikas scheme was launched by which state government? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Jharkhand, D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 20. What is the name of the scheme launched to redevelop railway station across India? A. Smart Station Mission, B. Bharat Rail Vikas Yojana, C. Amrit Bharat Station Scheme, D. Modern Rail Corridor Project. Correct answer is C. Question number 21. The Inspire scheme is a flagship initiative by which organization? A. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, B. Ministry of Education, C. Reserve Bank of India, D. Department of Science and Technology. Correct answer is D. Question 22. Which state government has launched the One Family, One Entrepreneur scheme to promote entrepreneurship in every household? A. Odisha, B. Maharashtra, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is C. Question 23. What is the name of the scheme launched to enhance the connection between the telecom sector and citizens? A. Sanchar Mitra Scheme, B. Bharat Bandhu Yojana, C. Communication Internship Scheme, D. Telecom Technology Development Fund. Correct answer is A. Question 24. What is the name of the scheme launched to upgrade existing school into model schools with modern infrastructure? A. Digital India Schools Program, B. PM Vidya Scheme, C. PM Shri Scheme, D. PM Viksit Scheme. Correct answer is C. Question 25. The remission of duties and taxes on exported product scheme is administered by which department? A. Department of Commerce, B. Department of Revenue, C. Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Grade, D. Department of Consumer Affairs. Correct answer is B. Thank you and I hope you like the video.